Here's a quick test to see if your health habits are better than the average Brits. You get 1 point for beating the average Brit, and you get 1 point for meeting or beating what the science is. So let's start with steps. The average Brit does 5,444 steps per day. If you do more than that, you get a point. But according to a recent study, you'll get the majority of the benefits from doing steps if you do over 7,000. So if you're hitting 7 or more, then ding ding ding, you get another point. Next, we're on to sleep. Now, according to this 2024 study by Dreams, the average Brit gets 6 hours per night. So if you get more than that, then you get a point. But according to the official guidelines, we want to be aiming for 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye every night. So if you get more than 7, then ding ding ding, you get another point. Next up is fruit and veg. So the average adult in the UK eats 3.3 to 3.7 portions of fruit and veg per day. So if you eat more than 3, then ding, you get a point. But if you went to primary school in the UK, you probably know that you should be aiming for your 5 a day. So if you get 5 or more in, then you get another point. And if you're finding this video useful so far, hi, I'm Holly, and I share content about building sustainable habits so that you can actually be a healthy human. So if that's what you're into, then you should probably drop me a follow. Next, we're on to alcohol. Now, the average Brit drinks 21 units per week, which is roughly 10 standard glasses of wine. And when I say standard, I mean a proper standard glass of wine, not you just poured yourself it and that's what you're used to seeing as your standard. So if you drink less than 21 units per week, then you get a point. Now, the official recommendations are that there is no safe limit, but we can understand that under 14 units per week is low risk. So if you drink under 14 units per week, then you get another point. Finally, we're on to strength training. Now, the average Brit does 0 strength training sessions per week. So if you do a single session, you are doing more than the average Brit. Point for you. The current guidelines are to be aiming for 2 or more sessions per week. So if you do 2 or more, another point for you. Total score out of 10, let me know how you cracked on in the comments.